The overall view on industry culture. This is lesson 6 of class 1. In this lesson, we will discuss an honest view on industry culture, covering such topics as why bankers leave as junior practitioners and return as senior practitioners. Why is investment banking notorious for having a grueling culture? And the concept of the humanity of banking. Background. Let's reiterate some of the earlier key findings about investment banking culture discussed in previous lessons. High priority, results-oriented work. Capital markets mandates are vital to the client's corporate life cycle, time-sensitive, and impactful for all shareholders. Therefore, the engagements are structured to heavily incentivize the bank to succeed. Uncomfortable work environments. Practitioners constantly sacrifice personal time, family time, and free time to serve the client needs. The industry is structured around success, making the environment high energy, stressful, and extremely competitive. And there is zero tolerance for subpar performance. The push and pull of the industry. The push relates to the intense, time-consuming, and stressful work environments of investment banking. The pull is the attractive exit opportunities following investment banking. The push-pull reality of investment banking perpetuates the industry's high employee churn. The difference between junior and senior bankers. Due to the unique industry culture, most individuals do not enter investment banking with a long-term view of employment. It is the exception, not the norm, that the practitioner sits in the same seat from start to finish throughout one's career. Most practitioners go back to school, move desks, switch bank, leave banking, or completely leave the financial sector altogether. Some practitioners leave as junior bankers and come back as senior bankers. This behavior cycle, leaving as a junior, coming back as a senior, is popular because of the staunch differences in job characteristics. For example, work-life balance. Junior bankers are expected to take the first pass at almost all items, creating an unpredictable schedule while also taking on a lion's share of the effort. Work description. Junior bankers are expected to complete financial modeling, marketing materials, and presentation items. These work streams involve high levels of technical analysis and artistic preparation, which can be extremely time-consuming. And compensation. Senior bankers are handsomely compensated with a larger share of the bonus pool for their advisory, which strongly contributes to the structuring and closing of the deals. So in conclusion, the less technical work requirement combined with the more predictable work-life balance and a larger share of the bonus pool makes the industry attractive again at senior levels. Notorious industry culture. Given the time sensitivity and the overall importance of capital markets mandates, the client expects premium level service. The client has awarded the investment bank with the opportunity to represent the business in the capital markets. Therefore, the client expects constant premium service, which is demanding on the bankers. The practitioner should anticipate providing 24/7 service. The client is running their business and the banker is running the capital markets process. Since business operations and capital markets processes run concurrently, it results in late hours, odd scheduling, and constant infringements on weekends and other holidays for bankers. The practitioner should also anticipate providing premium service. The bankers are expert level advisors who are relied upon to create schedules, presentations, and financial models that validate and communicate the client's strategy and intentions during a capital markets process. Therefore, every workstream needs to be client-ready and viewer-friendly for investors, board members, and C-suite individuals. This creates essentially a large and time-consuming peer review process that provides the bankers, the junior bankers mostly, with a lot of criticism and exposure, which could be a good or bad thing depending on how the banker internalizes it. And the last topic we'll cover is the humanity of banking. The Warren Fox Group has coined the term the humanity of banking. The humanity of banking states that, all things equal, qualified candidates should have other employment opportunities that require less hours but involve similar levels of compensation. So, why would somebody take part in banking culture given other available options of similar or better caliber? In the next class, the most important recurring non-technical question that the candidate will receive during the networking interviewing will be, why investment banking? So in the next classes, we will focus on preparing candidates for this question and others. We will formulate the best way to handle networking efforts and discuss the interviewing process in deeper detail. With that ends class 1. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next class, which will focus on networking.